Hey, I'm Martin from Investment for Insider, and today I have a really great interview for you. Today, Agiris from Cryptominder is here, and we're talking about technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and if you stay till the end, we have a really great coin surprise for you that's going to be analyzed. So, yeah, stay till the end, smash the like button, and give us a subscription that you don't miss any news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized finance in the future. And with that, I'm going to into the interview. Have fun.
How you can understand everything and how you can basically show also to the others what is coming up, why you should guys invest on Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto, and all these markets. So yeah, that's all about Cryptominder in general.
Okay, perfect. Sounds really interesting.
It's just a very easy way, a very easy thing that we have started with my team. We try to communicate like as better as we can, so you can get, for example, your private instructors. You can for example join afterwards the crypto market and everything. So yes, this is what we basically do, and because we wanted just to show it in a very easy way and how to show all of the startup and everything, we have just created Cryptominder on YouTube so people can understand what we are talking about and what we do.
Okay, so if some guys are interested, they should just look at your YouTube channel, Cryptominder, or?
Of course, yeah, they can go on Cryptominder on YouTube. They can see everything. Of course, they can see, as I said before, a very easy way also how to invest their money, which platforms they can use, and what they can do to basically understand what is Bitcoin. We explain what is Bitcoin. We have some also sessions that we are saying that why you should invest in Bitcoin, and of course I can explain also to you some things about this today, and so everyone inside your page as well can understand as well.
Okay, perfect. So now tell us a little bit about how you start doing technical analysis.
Well, this start is a little bit long story. I started I started 12 years ago, so I was like really interested in the market and everything. I was really interested on how to invest in not in cryptos, because they wouldn't even exist this period of time. But I didn't even know what is buy, sell, trade. I didn't know anything, so I've started everything by myself. I start like with small orders, like buy, sell, like in a very like starting period, like everyone is amateur and dummy, that they don't even understand what is happening. But when you're interested regarding how to make money, how to increase yourself, like build up inside economic parts and all of this. So yeah, I was just watching some platforms, so like without investing, of course, at this period of time. And then later on, I start going step by step, like 3-4 years later, I start understanding a little bit better how it is. I wasn't still so interested in, not interested, but I didn't have the experience at that period of time. Yes. But I start, upgrading myself. I start doing some courses, and this is 6-7 years ago. I started doing the first courses and understanding what is happening. And then later on, I was just making this better and better, and until I found and I realized what is Bitcoin, what is crypto, and how this can work for everyone. So it's a very interesting thing. Very interesting, yeah.
Yeah. And what was the first time you start analyzing Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general?
The first time I started analyzing, I think, is it any problem with my microphone? I think. Sorry.
I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I don't know how the rest of the people can.
Give us a little bit feedback.
Yes. Just a moment, please. I think the rest of the people cannot hear my microphone.
No.
Yeah, I think so.
Just give us feedback, please.
Yeah. If someone, yeah, as I see, they can't hear me.
Oh.
I see on the live.
Okay, yeah. Here. I see.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah.
think it should get better. It's very low. My volume is very low. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's up to you. Like I think it's up to you. Like to fix a little bit your setup.
Yeah.
It's about the microphone from your screen.
Yeah.
So let's.
Now it's getting better.
It should. It should get better. So okay, let's continue with that. Should be maybe better. We should see.
So,
I'm gonna be a little bit more loud.
yeah.
Gonna try my best. Sure. So yeah, basically what we're talking about is that I start analyzing Bitcoin like almost 3-4 years ago, I would say, when I first like got more into the crypto market, because everything is about understanding the fundamentals. People that try to do this, they try to get inside the market, they don't see. So if you are, for example, an amateur, you start now with something, or 1-2 years before, and you just start investing in coins that you don't understand. It's like you are investing your money in a market that doesn't really make sense to you. So if you guys don't understand where you are investing, you put my money in, don't do it. It's better to understand. And for example, let's say I understand how gold works, how silver works. It's better to put your money in gold and silver if you don't understand how Bitcoin works. So that's why I would say that people need more education. It's not so difficult to understand Bitcoin. It's not so difficult to understand the cryptos. It's just about understanding the blockchain and how everything works.
Okay, perfect. Sounds really good. So now it's coming the really exciting part. Analyzing Bitcoin, analyzing cryptocurrencies.
What we are going to do, like you asked me, guys, from your side, is that we will start and trying to analyze, of course, the Bitcoin. And I would like to make a small introduction, guys, of why you should analyze Bitcoin. You have to understand the fundamentals. You have to understand what is Bitcoin, why Bitcoin is the best asset of the decade, why Bitcoin is something that people should have in their mind, and why in the future this would actually be a crazy opportunity of lifetime right now to invest. I don't try to convince anyone. I just try to show you the future, guys, because the future, bad or good, is ending up to digital currencies. And the best digital currency that we have right now, that it cannot be overprinted, so it cannot be hyperinflated, is Bitcoin. Is a fully and done system that can actually work for everyone. It's working already, and is the best and perfect project that nobody can cheat. And why can nobody can cheat? Because it's about the transactions that they are happening. Is a system that is trustworthy from the side that I don't trust the one that I'm making the transaction with, but I'm trusting the network. And the network is the one that is deciding the transactions and how the blocks are confirming the one after the other a transaction. And that people have to also to understand that you cannot cheat on that. Is like physically it doesn't work, it doesn't make sense. So, and this is happening because of the algorithm that all the ledgers are using to confirm the one after the other. So there are like, let's say, 6 block confirmation that is happening, and the confirmations that they are coming after we are after the one, not we, but the system, the network is confirming after the other, is giving you basically the access to make a transaction, and this transaction can never return back. It can never be undone. It's subscribed inside the system and this is done. So basically this is what we are asking regarding money. Safe methods, very low fees, that we have very low fees. They will never be bigger, and that's because of the 1 megabyte basically that is the transaction of the block. The block cannot be bigger than 1 megabyte, and this is showing basically a perfect project and done project that you cannot actually change. It cannot be changed. It's done and it's finished product. So let's go a little bit to Bitcoin. I'm gonna be showing you guys very soon. I'm gonna try to share my screen to you.
Perfect.
Just a moment, please.
So what's your future target for Bitcoin? Like short term maybe, then long term, and just tell us about why you're thinking this way.
I am gonna show you regarding Bitcoin things that they have been predicted, things that they have been actually predicted from the past. Like, just a moment, please. Just a moment. Things that I have predicted in the past.
No,
and
I don't see the
I know. Just a moment, please. Just a moment.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Yes, now I see this.
Yeah. Okay. So this is basically the stock to flow ratio model. What I've been showing before. Just a moment. And let's jump into the chart. So you can see my chart, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is the chart of Bitcoin in a short time frame. We will go a little bit longer, like back to the long time frame, and this is because I want to show you guys that basically Bitcoin, it works with a very basically easy way. The easy way is that every time we have the halving, we are watching that something very big is coming most of the times. And here, as you can see in my screen, this is a chart that is very easy to understand, very easy to adopt and see why Bitcoin is getting prepared for a massive move. Here are the halvings that they are happening every 4 years, and here we see some ascending triangles that from the one we jump to the other during the period of time. And you can see also, guys, that we are exactly in this place right now. I show with the chart in a very easy way of what basically is going to happen in the near future of like 15 months, because things are looking very, very easy actually. I don't know if you can understand the chart in this case, but I can see very clear the signs and how everything should be also in the close future. And this is where we are right now. What is your opinion regarding this? What is the thing that you see? I just want everyone to understand basically of what is happening, and I want you to tell me also what you can see here, Martin.
Yeah, I think in the next like 2-3 years we're going to have near like 100,000 at least. So yeah, that's my opinion.
Because as I see here, like the chart is showing very easy, like what have happened from 2011, what is happening until basically today, and I see things coming really easy, and I also see how things are pumping and what is happening to the market. So every after halving, as we can see in the closed months, we have some really massive moves that they basically show that Bitcoin is going over there. Bitcoin is up to crazy things, and what is happening regarding that. I just want to pump into my today's chart. Just a moment, please. It's taking a while. So the thing is that let's go to the closer and like 2-3 months plan, and also what is happening in shorter, of course, time frames. And as you see here, the upload is actually massive right now, so my upload is not so good maybe, and also my download, I'm a little bit slow at that moment. So as we can see, is this is where we are actually today, and I'm gonna showing you and releasing some really nice stuff today for you.
I just see the stock to flow.
Okay.
Yeah, right at the moment.
Yes, my upload is not so good as I see, and also the download. So I have like some connection problems regarding that. You still see the stock to flow model?
Yeah, stock to flow, yeah. Now I see the charts. Perfect. And now I see some main screen with time and dates.
Just a moment, please. I don't know why it's turning so slow. But the sound is good, right?
Yeah, I hope so. For me, for me it's good.
I'm gonna stop sharing my screen for a while. Can you see my screen?
Yes, now I can see your screen. Perfect.
Okay, so this is where we are. It's still really slow. Don't know why is this happening. It's about the download and the upload for sure. I don't know if you can see my chart. We are in a monthly chart right now. I'm gonna turn it to the 4-hour chart so we can have a more like better way of what we are talking about. So this is what is happening, guys, today. We are consolidating in this area. We have been consolidating. Can you follow my cursor?
Yeah.
Can you see my chart? Sure, very nice. So as you can see, guys, here, I'm just showing basically that we have been in this triangle, the symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. But many people believe that we are gonna end up one of these days and have this pump as it actually came. So this pump that have happened to the Bitcoin price in this by yesterday night actually brought us to this level, and most of the people believe that now we are going all the way up. I just want to show guys that things are not so clear yet, because if you will just extend this very nice trend line, not this one but this one, you will see that we are going to an ascending triangle suddenly. So we have this triangle here. Can you follow me?
Okay, yeah.
Yes, so what I'm gonna show you basically is that we have this price action, and this price action will basically take us longer of what we have expected, and it bringing us actually almost to the end of this month. And the end of this month, if you know, guys, because it is a correlation between the stock market, unfortunately, we are going to decouple, as I understand from the future. We will. This ends up exactly to the U.S. elections, and this is something that is going to be a massive move, not only for Bitcoin but also for the rest of the stock market, the cryptos, and everything. Regarding this, I would just say that most likely we have two options, two things to think about. And always we should have two targets so we can be a little bit more specific. This is in a short time frame. This is in a 4-hour chart, but I'm not gonna be telling you guys what is gonna happen in the 4 hours, but what is going to happen in like next week or over like maybe the end of this month, 3rd of November, etc. So what I believe is that we most likely going to see a price action if we break this trend line, or if we break this trend line. And my price action is approximately this. As you can see here, is bringing us approximately to the 100. And if you take it down, is bringing us exactly to where we should go and cover basically the CME gap. The CME gap is something that you can see only in this chart. That is the, as you can see here, guys, we have left this gap, and this should be covered. Like most of the times, and especially in the stock market, mostly on indexes and in general stock markets and everything, those kind of gaps, they should be covered. So I am waiting for the last time of Bitcoin under 5-digit number is gonna be when we will fill up this gap, most likely. Now, it is of course the chance that we don't cover this gap. Of course there is this chance, but right now, because we are very close to this area, we are fighting a lot. We are fighting a lot with the resistance, basically, of many resistances that we have. We have the resistance in 11,000, 11,100. We have then in 12,100. We have many resistances that they are bothering Bitcoin to basically pump. I believe that the next 1 month is going to be sideways maybe, or we will take this very nice correction. That I would love to have this correction, because then I'm confirmed basically in my mind and in my opinion what is going to happen, so we can basically recover and then see the pump of the market where it's going to go. And when I say where it's going to go, is that I believe within December Bitcoin will have been, end of December is going to be already in this very nice pump of maybe $16,000 price.
Okay.
People are freaking out. People are freaking out and tell me, but how can you say these things? How can you, for example, say that we can see the 16,000, we can see the 100,000, $200,000 within 15 months? We should understand in general that it's not about the price of Bitcoin. It's also about the hyperinflation, and basically that the dollar is getting overprinted every day and every moment, every second we are talking about. And the next 15 months, they will be really a very bad thing for the global economy.
Yeah.
And people have to rely either in gold, silver, or Bitcoin. And that's why, because Bitcoin, gold, and silver, they are products that you cannot cheat. The market cap is specific. And of course, you can mine more gold, you can mine more silver. But Bitcoin, there will always be 21 million. And this makes it unique, makes it an amazing product that you should invest, and you should actually think long term, and what is going to happen, and if we are going to fall, let's say, to 9,500, if we are going to fall to 8,700, that is also an option. Okay, it's also a fact. It can happen tomorrow. but you have to think within like 2 to 5 years. And in 2 to 5 years, guys, we will look back in time and we will say that what, $10,000 Bitcoin? No, this is this price was like nothing. I mean, everyone was buying Bitcoin at that time. If they would think about it, we'll return. We'll say, "Oh my God, why I didn't buy more Bitcoin? Why I didn't save my money on Bitcoin?" Because the future is there. It's very simple, and that's what I want to show to people and make them understand that they have to secure their assets. They have to invest in Bitcoin. They have to invest in some cryptos that they really make sense. They show where the future is going. That's what I believe.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, sounds really good. I think, especially for this year.
It sounds good, and is about also our future. Is about what we would like, what we expect, but what is going to happen, and is going to happen is in front of our eyes, and we have to see it, because the future, bad or good, is digital. And I feel bad for those people that they don't even make an effort, young people, to understand how and where the technology is going. And I would say that we should see better. We should open our eyes, not only regarding the Bitcoin, but what is in general going to happen.
Yes,
that's what I see.
Yeah, and besides Bitcoin, there are really lots of interesting projects in the crypto space. Now we have seen what is happening to Bitcoin. One really interesting coin as well is Ethereum, basically because all the smart contracts, or most of the smart contracts, are based on Ethereum. So tell us, what do you think about Ethereum and where you see Ethereum?
Yes, Ethereum is something that I have been actually starting investing from when it was like what, $80 or something, 70.
Wow.
So yeah, I actually hold a big part of my portfolio in Ethereum. I have seen in the past that talking about decentralized finance, here we have a king, of course. Decentralized finance is basically what Vitalik have done. Vitalik is the first person, of course, that create the Ethereum. That is a very nice project that you should people like sit down and think and check about it. It's a very nice product. It's a very nice coin and a very nice technology based on amazing protocols. And soon, of course, we'll have the version 2 of Ethereum, the Ethereum 2.
Yeah.
And well, yeah, how soon it's gonna be? This is something that many people, of course, cannot predict. And if you go a little bit further inside the technicals, we were very close to that, but some things, of course, didn't go as expected. So also the time will, as I understand, increase, because it was approximately 14th of this month to be released, but it doesn't show this way, of course.
Yeah.
And that's why we have like some small dumps. But as you can see, guys, we talk about insane price action. We talk about that in March. We have been talking about the $80 of Ethereum, and this is where actually I bought most of my positions. I bought them back in here, and this is where we are. I mean, like, we are talking for a crazy pump that, okay, I'm not gonna take it from the bottom, but I'm gonna take it at least like from here. And this is I'm not gonna take it up here. I'm gonna take it here, because people say to me, oh yeah, come on, nobody's buying, selling on the tops, of course. But look, guys, where we are holding right now. Whoever bought down here have made right now 192% profit.
Oh, yeah.
In
really
195 days. I mean, like, this is just unbelievable. Like, I will not forget that I said to my wife, she just was saving some money, like back in time, and I said to her approximately in July, it was June, July. I said to her, "Do you know what? Why you just keep your money in the useless bank and you don't just buy something that is gonna make you some money?" I said, "Okay, what can I buy?" I said to her, "Buy some Ethereum, and she actually bought the Ethereum. Now she's already double up.
Yeah, good choice.
So yeah, so it was like, why not? Ethereum is a very nice project, and everything is based, when we talk about the DeFi tokens, DeFi platforms, DeFi everything is working on Ethereum project. And Ethereum is oversold. Ethereum is a project that is oversold, and we expect a massive move. We expect a massive move that is gonna give us in the next 15 months. As you can, sorry, I just have to move that. Here, we are going to speak for some really crazy numbers, and those numbers are leading basically. Even look at this, guys. I mean, like the all-time high was 1,419. Can you even imagine this? Like this is something that we should break. This is like, oh my god, it's not like this. Sorry, just a moment. I'm a little bit slow regarding my PC, as I see here. So this is like, oh my god, this is like 322% up regarding today's price. Can you even imagine this? So I would just say that this price here, because people don't get it, is nothing. Is like a matter of like 3 to 4 months to reach 1,400, and you don't even want to imagine what I'm thinking about the future of like 15 months from now. So my price for 15 months from now, guys, is more than $10,000 per Ethereum, and this is something actually real. It's something real that people cannot understand, but I see it through the charts. I don't. This is not my opinion. This is what the charts are showing, and what is the price action regarding the fundamentals and also the technical analysis. We are going to a closer time frame of the 4 hours. I have some bad news in this. Some good and bad news, of course, regarding the 4-hour time frame, or even the day time frame. As you can see here, we are unfolding this, I would say, triangle that is not descending, is not ascending triangle. We have to hold this at least 310 levels, guys. We have to hold it. If we will not hold this, we are going back even to like next price is like 240, as I see here, 245. That's pretty bad, but it's a very nice opportunity and discount, how I call it for me, to buy some more Ethereum. It's very nice the fact that we are holding now in this triangle. As you can see, guys, we have respected all the prices here. A very nice one. And the next price target that we should focus is the 375. Is something that we have been struggling, has been also support here, and also resistances. So this green box, as you can see right here, is very, very important. Very important. We have to hold this price. We have to break this level, and after we break this level, the 488, most likely, the next price target is gonna be to $800, 560 first, and then $800. But take care. We are going a very critical level. As you can see, I'm gonna take this on the side. As you can see here, do you hear me?
Yes.
As you can see here, we are reaching again almost the end of this month. So as you can understand, guys, things are looking very correlated to the stock market, unfortunately. But very soon, as I said before, we are going to decouple. What is going to happen also with gold and silver? They will decouple from the stock market. They will follow their own path, and that's what Bitcoin is going to do as well, and also pull the rest of the projects with it. The altcoin season is something that, in my opinion, after halving, after 6 months of every halving, we are watching very nice pumps. The altcoin season, of course, by watching also the Bitcoin dominance, is showing a very nice structure, and is going, as I understand, to hold a little bit longer. So this means that Bitcoin will not pump until end December. In my opinion, of course, we can see a pump over to like maybe 12,000 kroner very soon, $12,000 very soon. Sorry, I'm speaking with the local currency. $12,000. It's like matter of time. Of course, we can see a very fast price correction, as I said before. Keep this in mind. Always listen to yourself. This is not a financial advice. Hold your own money and do with your money what you want, and always try to understand the market before you do it. Here we just do something for mostly entertainment reasons, of course, and always invest before you do a move. Don't get wrecked, and always start from a position of strength, investing or trading.
Yeah, that's really, really important, guys. Yeah.
Always. So I always say to everyone, don't listen to what I say or someone else is saying. Of course, it's very nice to show you what is happening with the charts. We do our own research, we do our own trades, and we show to people how they can handle the chart, as I said before. So you are very welcome, of course, if you want guys to for us to show you how we do it, what we see in a short, longer time frame. And for me, it's good for everyone to follow this swing trading instead of day trades that, guys, are really too risky things. You are going to lose your money, and it's really a one-way ticket to the wreck city. Something that you have asked me, as I remember, Martin, and your community, is to analyze the Polkadot.
Yes.
Is a very nice and is a very nice innovation. Polkadot is a network that allows just the tokens, not just, it doesn't only allow the tokens, but also the arbitrage, the arbitrary data to be transferred across the blockchain. People have always to do some research before they start something, and before they start investing in something. And what I see here is a chart that is always in a, of course, is a very new project, is in a descending triangle, but I see a very nice thing on the 4-hour time frame. I see a very nice W down here, as you can see.
Yeah.
This W lead us very nice to this resistance level. As you can see, we have respected many levels here. As I see, it's like beautiful, I would say. Here, and back in time here. I mean, like it's really beautiful. This the whole respect that we have shown to this trend line is, look at this. Of course, we had the fake out here, but it is looking beautiful. In this case, of course, I would say that if we will try at least to see like from very nice oscillators, maybe the MACD. Yeah, it shows that we have like some bearish divergence, but we are going, as I see here, if we break this trend line finally, and we are gonna hold a very nice level like this, hold this support, then we have this level to think about, and then we are ready to pump. We are gonna pump very high, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy and beautiful. But take care, guys. I don't think that this can lead lower. We are in the end of the triangle, and this is a massive move. A massive move is coming, and believe me, most of the time the massive move it can happen actually in some hours, maybe I don't know, maybe in like a couple of hours. It doesn't come to an end. Like it almost never end up to this level, to like the end specifically of this triangle side. So I expect the pump to happen. I don't think it shows downwards. It took a very nice way up, and as I see from also the MACD doesn't show some bearish divergence right now. So I think that if we guys are going to break this level and will hold a very nice support, this is the way I show is it's like this most likely. But we have to also hold this, break this resistance, and hold also, because this has been also a level that we have to struggle a little bit before any other thing is going to happen. That's all also about the Polkadot. I believe.
So
I
just
believe
the next 2 days.
it's a matter of time for a massive move, and I don't think so. I don't think that this move is gonna lead us lower. As you can see here, is only basically this level to like 2.7. Maybe we can watch, maybe, and worst case scenario, I don't think we are going to fall. We have to listen like some very bad news about Polkadot, and this is not something that it should make us get stressed, because it's a nice application. It's a nice network, a very nice protocol. Is a multi-chain application environment that I would say that we are going to see some brilliant new price targets coming out in the Orzen. I think so.
Okay, perfect. Wow, yeah.
Yes.
That will really be awesome. So and now you have a big surprise for us, you said. Like a really amazing project with crazy fundamentals.
Yes, regarding, you mean Bitcoin?
No, you mean with some other altcoin, the XMR, the XMR.
XMR is something that I was thinking basically to to hold. Okay. Guys, XMR is like is a very big surprise. It's a very big surprise. It's an amazing project that, if you ask like the most like serious people to talk about, sorry about that. I think I have closed my screen. Do you watch my screen now or no?
Now I can see you.
Sure. So let's go back to the chart. You see me now, right? You see the screen.
Yeah. Now
do you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
So guys, I would say that you have to focus in Monero. Monero is a beautiful project. It's something that is gonna lead and is going already high. It's gonna keep the supports. We will not see crazy surprises regarding the downside, as I see. And within 15 months, we can expect 10x. 10x really is it's something that I see very, very, very close. maybe closer than 4 or 5 months. It's a beautiful project, and the bullish side is actually going to send us to the moon, I would say. And I hold a very nice part of my portfolio in Monero. I believe in Monero, and if we would take crypto market as a survival to what is happening today to the whole world, then this is one of the projects that you would like also to invest, guys. Is beautiful and is going to pump. As I see a lot. I see crazy future regarding this. I'm not going to go further in analysis because it already shows that we haven't had any crazy correction except this. So let's wait and see, because Monero looks one of the most amazing projects for now and the future, guys. Take care of it. Amazing. Watch it, and you see here that there is basically no way, like there is just the sky after the $121 is just beautiful. It's nothing to watch after that. Okay. And I see a very nice pattern as well here, a very nice pattern. So we have seen the bottom, we know where the bottom is. It's just one-way ticket after we break this one level. It's just after this the all-time high. Beautiful project. I would suggest everyone at least to know about it, check it out, and see also a little bit about the fundamentals of what's happening regarding the Monero. Yeah, beautiful project.
Because I think Monero is really pretty good because of the aspect of the privacy as well. So it's a really great project, I think.
Yes. Regarding privacy, the security is unique. So I would suggest to your community as well to check that out. Guys, of course, don't forget to subscribe to Cryptominder. We are sharing very nice technical analysis, very easy. We try to make it as easier as we can. We do not go further to like complicated things. We show the fundamentals and why you should invest your money in something that is worth it, something that in the future, of course, is going to save you, because we are talking about, of course, as I said before, survival ways. Basically, how we should think regarding our survival, and I believe that is one of the best things that you have to do, to put your money in a safe thing, such as like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course have fast transactions. No one is going to stress you in any airport and tell you, oh, where are you hiding your Bitcoin? Where are you hiding your Ethereum? But they can of course ask you why you are carrying 1 bar of gold with you. Why are you carrying coins with you, the gold coins? Why are you carrying so much silver with you? So I would say that fundamentally Bitcoin is, as Antonopoulos says as well, Andreas Antonopoulos, that is the internet of money. So just go into it, see, understand it. Of course, if you need more explanation, we are doing this in Cryptominder. We have also very nice episodes regarding this. You can just go through the YouTube, our page, and you can actually see and understand everything, what we are talking about, and how you can also invest. Very simple.
Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all about us.
It was really amazing. I think you showed really massive movements and really good news for cryptocurrencies, the fundamentals as well as the short time frame and the large time frame. So yeah, I think it was really amazing.
Very much. Thank you very much also, guys. Thank you very much for having me. I really liked it. I really liked the fact that we are doing this together, and of course in the future we can do also more collaborations regarding all of this. And of course we can see this whole internet thing is very nice. People can get a lot of knowledge, they can see better, they can open their eyes like I do, like you do, like everyone does. And of course I look forward also in the future to show you some really nice stuff. And thank you for having me in your page and your channel and your Facebook page, I mean. And thank you for everything.
Perfect. Yeah. So thank you, Agiris, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to Cryptominder. The link to the YouTube channel I will drop down the video, below the video. Yeah, just subscribe to the video, to the YouTube channel, and thank you, Agiris.
Thank you very much as well. Thank you very much.
Sometimes in the future we can do this again without technical problems.
Of course, we can of course go through also better to the charts. We can analyze more technically. Of course, I try to do it easy now, but of course, if you guys want to see more of this content, very nice content, dive into basically the charts and see what is happening and what is basically the price target of like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, even closer. Some very nice swing trades, of course we can do that as well.
Yeah, just guys, what do you think about this, and maybe which projects you want to be analyzed as well? Just write it in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching us. And
thank you so much. Thank you so much for also the Icon News of Deutschland. Thank you very much to you guys. And of course, see you in the close future.
See you.
See you.
I hope you guys liked the video with Agiris from Cryptominder. Just give him a subscription on his YouTube channel. I will link it in the comments below as well. And give us a like on the video, a subscription if you don't already have one, and see you next time. Bye.